Always reacting, always replying, always plugged in. It feels like you're staying productive, but really it's a fast track to burnout. Stoic wisdom is clear. If you want peace, resist the noise and persist in what matters. As Epictetus said, Stoicism is about persisting and resisting, doing what needs to be done and resisting what doesn't. So today, let's flip the script. You've heard what Stoics do, but here's what Stoics never do. These are the habits, the mindsets, the automatic reactions you need to let go of, starting now. 1. Stoics don't fear. Change is uncomfortable, but Stoics don't fear it. Marcus Aurelius said, "All things are born from change." Every good thing in your life started with a shift, a disruption, an unknown. A Stoic doesn't cling to comfort. They prepare, they adapt, they say, "Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll meet it with the same tools I used today." No panic, no complaining, just readiness. 2. Stoics don't cling to preferences. Stoicism isn't about being cold or emotionless. It's about flexibility. Rain or shine, loved or hated, praised or ignored, a Stoic remains steady. Why? Because they've trained themselves to thrive in any condition. When you stop needing things to go your way, you're finally free. 3. Stoics don't sweat the small stuff. Every minute, something happens, but that doesn't mean it matters. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, don't give little things more attention than they deserve. If it doesn't help your mission, ignore it. If it's not essential, let it go. You don't need an opinion on everything. Not everything deserves your energy. 4. Stoics don't let criticism define them. When someone criticizes you, pause. Ask yourself, who is this person? What do they value? Are they living a life you respect? If not, why give their opinion power? Marcus said, "We love ourselves more than others, but we care more about their opinion than our own." That's madness, drop it. Measure yourself by your own standard, not the noise of strangers. 5. Stoics don't seek revenge. Marcus Aurelius faced betrayal, lies, and political attacks. His response? The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Seneca put it another way. You don't kick a mule back or bite a dog in return. Revenge feels powerful, but it weakens you. Let it go. Be better. 6. Stoics don't start the day on defense. If the first thing you do in the morning is check your phone, you've already lost. You've handed your day to someone else's to-do list. Marcus said, stop being jerked around like a puppet. Instead, start deliberately. Be the gatekeeper of your attention. Choose your inputs. Set the tone. 7. Stoics don't respond to everything. Napoleon had a trick. He didn't read his mail for 3 weeks. Most problems solved themselves by then. Why? Because constant reaction is a recipe for chaos. Let go of the need to always be reachable, always updated. Be unreachable, be focused, be free. Put your phone away. Leave space for thought. You don't need to know everything. You need to do what matters. 8. Stoics don't look outside for approval. Epictetus said, if you need outside approval, you've surrendered. Success, worth, growth. These are internal measurements. Don't let the crowd decide your value, especially if the crowd is lost. Look inward. Build your own scorecard. You'll always know where you stand. Philosophy isn't just something you read. It's something you live. As Epictetus said, talk about it, write it down, share it with others. Keep it close. Keep it active. If this video helped you see things more clearly, subscribe to Still Stoic and join the journey.